Welcome back to the truck. Don't let your guard down, because what we got right here, boys and girls, is a freaking cottonmouth. See that big ass head on him. Alright. He's just laying out here on a nice warm road. Nice walking along. I'm like, okay, what's that? Get up a little closer. Big ass cottonmouth. I would shoot him. Got my gun right here. Kaboom! But I will let his ass go on. Find something to throw at him, get him out of my path. I got a rock. So much didn't move. Got my chair, my shotgun, everything else. Go on, bitch. Hey. Uh-oh, now he's pissed. What do you think I should do? Shoot him? Or leave him be? He's part of nature's people here. But I got to get to the truck, which is right over there. Right over there, the truck. And he's in my way. So I don't know, I want to go in front of him. And he ain't budging. So, what do you think? I'm not sure. Trying to walk behind him. He might try to take back off toward the water where he came from. It's a long way to go around him. Alright, I'm gonna try to go in front of him. But I can't hold this phone and a shotgun at the same time. Alright, it's off safety. If he comes at me, I'm blasting him. Alright, just stay there, Mr. Cottonmouth. Alright, we'll be on our way and let you go. Alright, don't want to get snake bit. Oh, alright, okay, that was a little tense moment. Alright, back to the truck.